Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a person throws two fair dice. So, two fair dice is being thrown. He wins rupees 15 for throwing a doublet. Doublet means same number. So, if he will throw 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6, he will win 15 rupees. Wins 12 rupees when the throw result in the sum is 9. So if he will score 9, he will get 12 rupees and loses 6 rupees for any other outcome. So in remaining outcomes, he will lose 6 rupees. So if he will gain rupees, I will add. If he will lose rupees, I will subtract. Then expected gain loss. So you have to find out whether he will, like, the probability of winning is higher or probability of losing is higher. So look at this. How will you observe? So it is required result. So required result is, suppose that I'm talking about first case. If you will throw a doublet, so if you will throw a doublet, you know that total number of outcome is 36 because they are throwing pair of dice, out of which the doublet possibility is 1 1 2 2 3 4 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. So 6 cases. Under these cases, he will won 15 rupees. Okay, so 1 is plus and then lose is subtraction. Now plus, again he is going to win 12 rupees if he will score 9. So can I say, if he will get 6 3 9 5 4 9 4 and 5 9 3 and 6 9. So on first dice, this is the outcome. On second dice, this is the outcome. So it is unique. So under 4 cases out of 36 cases, he will win 12 rupees. So this is its winning chance. Now, in remaining cases, he is going to lose. So that's why I am subtracting things. So out of 36 cases, in 6 and 4, it's a win. So in remaining 26 cases, it would be lose 36 and he will lose how many rupees? 6 rupees. Okay, so you have to simplify things. How we will simplify? Look at this. I will take common. So 6 by 36 I will take common. So look at this. So it is 15. Now 6. So from 12 you have taken 6. So 2 is left. So 8. And then minus of 26. Okay. Then 15 and it's a minus 3. Okay. So can I say that 6, 36 minus 3. So 6, 6 times 36, 6, 2 times 6, 3, 2 times 6. So the probability is minus 1 by 2. Means, what is this probability minus 2? Minus 2 is representing that he will lose. So the chance of his losing is 1 by 2. Okay. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.